Blue here, and I'm playing Jailbreak. You may have already noticed that, but I've just flipped over. Oh man. I just failed at the recording because I forgot to outro the video. I have a limit of 15 minutes. Oh man, I'm gonna be fired. I don't have a job. What do you mean I don't have a job? I want to drive on the left, but I've got to drive on the right, because driving on the left is illegal. And then again, I'm already a prisoner. I will never tell you what I did. I stole pickles. And then I ate them. Sorry if I'm not talking. Sorry for my Scottish. Oh man. Drive. Wait, drive? No, I don't. I'm not on a road. How can I drive if I am not on a road? What? I am the owner of this car. What? You know what? I'm gonna spend half the video. You know, I watched a video on YouTube. Apparently, if you want to get there as a prisoner, you have to jump off of there. You have to jump off. You have to jump off of here, land on here, and then jump up there. Oh gosh, I'm going to go now because I hear police sirens. What? I need money. I need money for the Tesla. What? Another game. What? Who said another game? Another game. Another game. Ooh, another game. Let's go to the jewelry store. I've never robbed the jewelry store because I don't know how to. Well, I know how to, but it's always closed. Or something like that. Whatever. Oh man, where is the jewelry store? It's not there. There it is. Let me guess, it's closed. Wait a sec. How do you break in? I'm gonna have to Google this. How do you break in? Wait, I'm gonna go. Gonna take my car. That's a lot of money. Do any of yous have that much money? If you do, please. What? When did you get on? Get on again. Get on again. I dare you, get on again. I dare you to get on again. You beginner. I just drove past you. Oh man. Get on! Get on. Wait. Get on. Get on. Where? I'll take you somewhere for money. I'll take you somewhere for money. I'll take you somewhere for money. What? Where'd he go? I'm too busy I'm up too occupied, but I'll take you somewhere for money. Come on. Oh, this is a good place to rob it. Yes, open door. I've never robbed the train before. Breach the vault. Yes. Yes. 1,500. Now I just have to, wait. Yep, this is my life, pretty much. Ooh, yes, filled. Open door. And jump out! Yes, now I have 16,000 cash. Yes, yes, yes. I'm gonna come here. Come here. Come here, little boy. I can't make it. I can't make it. I just can't make it. I just can't. What time is it? Ooh, no, not what time is it. How long have I been recording for? That's what I was trying to say. Been recording for 6 minutes and 27 seconds. 29, 30, 31. Ah, you got the memo. I want the Tesla. Now, before, the Tesla wouldn't spawn. So I hope the Tesla will spawn. Oh, far. I don't want you to see that. Oh, is that the Tesla? Yes, please say that is the Tesla. Yes, I think this is the Tesla. I think this is the Tesla. If it's wrong, tell me in the comments. There's this really weird glitch to Tesla. This Tesla actually looks amazing, by the way. It really does look amazing. Go, 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 go. And boom! Oh, man. Oh, I hear gunshots. Oh, no. Oh, man, oh, man, oh, man, oh, man. Yeah, you just witnessed me buying the Tesla. I need to go to the garage. Far. I was about to say far, but then I was thinking of saying far. And then I'm like, you guys would understand what that means if you're either American or English. Or if you're Russian, you won't understand a thing I'm saying. Or anywhere else, if you're French, you won't know a thing I'm saying unless you know English. Or Scottish. Tell me below, should I speak English or Scottish? Oh gosh, wait. Yes! Perfect! You nub. That is perfect. That's all I need. Now, I need get off the screen. Window color. Window color green. Or yellow. I prefer yellow. And glow blue. Glow shall be blue. And also tell me down below, what's the best way of getting money? That's a 2,000. That's 2,000. That's 4,500. I want the level 3 engine for the Tesla. Tell me the best way of getting money in this game. Also, I love the sound of the Tesla. You nub, bro. You nub. Oh, man. Oh, gosh. Oh, yeah, boy. I think I'm gonna swap over to cops now. Switch teams? Yes. Because I want you guys to see Prisoner and Poe. The Poe. Yes. Yes. Anyway. You have such strange body power. Whatever. Oh, you started a robbery at the bank. Go, go, Power Rangers. Evil never stops. Rangers forever. Da da da. Da 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 da. Don't think I don't know about the thingamabobby. Oh no. You. Well, actually, duh! There we go. I don't want to check because there's nobody in there. And off I go. Up, ba ba da ba da ba, ba 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 da ba da ba. Where did you go? Aha! You think I'm blind? You think I'm blind? Really, you think I'm blind? Oh, farts. Please, no! Oh, man, you've got to be kidding me. Yes! I know a lot of people think the police is overpowered. That is the one thing I agree with. On society. Oh, also, what is this random piece of water? Is it like meant to be like a waterfall? Yep. It wasn't a random piece of water. You know, I thought I was seeing a random piece of water. There we go. Do you like my skin, by the way? I have this stylish idol with the ninja walk. Yes, I am scaling this mountain. Don't know what scaling means? Search it up in a book or dictionary or whatever. Whatever your daily book is. Oh no. I need to get higher. I need to get higher. And higher. And higher. Nope, I'm getting lower and lower and lower. Get up. Get up. Get up. Get up. Please, please, please. Yes. I could do this. I could do this. Please. I want to be the first person to scale this mountain. I probably am not going to be the first person to scale this mountain. Come on. Yes. Oh, it's sunrise. It's a sunrise. Please. No. 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 Wait, is there anywhere else? Please, no. I want to get to the top. The top. Please, let me up. It's like, yeah, okay, I can't find an example. Gas station. Who robs the gas station nowadays? Actually, I just recently learned you could rob the gas station. But anywho, I'm gonna outro the video. I shall. Okay, goodbye, guys, and I shall see you later. Ultimate Blue out. Wait, my timer hasn't run out. I shall say this, and I shall say this now. Ultimate